Hello, I'm in a 2002 Toyota Avalon, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first you open the hood, and then over here on the driver's side you see this battery. This would be where you jump start from, and you've got each of your terminals. You've got your positive here and your negative here, and you can double check on the battery as well. There'll be like a negative sign and a positive sign on the battery to make sure you know which is which. And there might also be like a cover here. This red typically indicates positive. Next, I would double check there's no corrosion built up on these that needs cleaned off. You could use a good brush or a rag. And then after that, I would make sure these are tight. If it's loose, you make sure these are all nice and tight. Then after that, I would get my jumper cables or a jump box, and then take your metal clamps and connect the positive clamp directly to the metal here, and your negative clamp directly to the metal here as best as you can for metal contact. And if you have another car you're running to, make sure that the vehicle is turned on and running, and you have your positive leading directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and the negative running directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't crisscross these by mistake, because that could cause serious issues with your computer systems, fuses, circuits, things like that. But that said, once you've had this connected to the other vehicle or jump box for a few minutes, and with a good connection, hopefully that's got you started. If you've been trying this for quite a while and still not having luck, you might need to replace your battery. Which, to replace this, you just remove this little support brace, loosen these connections so you can take these terminals off, and then just lift this old battery out, stick the new battery in, and then tighten everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.